The basics of routers and routing are like learning about networks for the first time. Understanding the transmission and reception of the data routings have the significant impact of the world as it is today. Routers are computers who have focus in packet transmission over data networks. By choosing the most efficient route for a packet to take and forwarding packets to their intended locations, they're in charge of connecting networks. The primary function of routers is to establish WAN and Ethernet connections. Straight through and crossover connectors are the two available types. My experience with these connectors was fantastic. Recently completed the wiring for a computer lab. This activity was simple and memorable because I was already familiar with this using a stripper and clipper as well as how to use our RJ45. I already knew this because we already did this way back in our grade 10 days. Static and dynamic routing is covered in the lecture. These two are frequently encountered, particularly static routing in packet tracer lab exercises. Static routes are manually configured paths that outline the router's intended route to specific location. We will take the default route if there isn't another passable match for their destination in the routing table. Dynamic routing, on the other hand, select the best route to destination network and has capability to discover a new best route if the current route is no longer accessible. These commands are used in our packet tracing exercises to validate the fundamental router configuration. These include, among others, show interfaces, show IP route, show running config, and show startup config. Having used these commands a fair amount, I can attest that they are the fundamental and ought to be recalled. I had the audacity to forget the commands which we had used repeatedly during our packet tracer lab exercises. I started to laugh and disappoint at the same time to my thought of it. And that would serve as a reminder for me to familiarize myself with the commands we used. In conclusion, the CNA2 lectures and laboratory were a lot of fun to learn about and explore. Cisco packet tracer activity helped me make the network journey interesting and enjoyable. It transformed the subject of routers and basic routing into one that was exciting and filled with useful information. What a great introduction to a fundamental idea. Though, the subject was kind of hard to understand at first, but when I got to know the idea, I was amazed and challenged at the same time.